Hi everyone, how are you doing? This is Ogomwadi. Welcome to my channel. Guys, today I want to show you two ways you can make butternut squash. These are one of my best methods. If you follow it exactly the way I do it, believe me, you would enjoy it. So let's go ahead and make this beautiful vegetable. Guys, these are the few ingredients we're going to be needing for this recipe. Like I said, I'm going to show you two methods in which you can make your butternut squash. It has a lot of methods, but these two I love so much. So what you're gonna need for this, number one, is garlic, ginger, either dry or fresh, it doesn't matter. You need pepper. You could skip it. I love pepper. I'm using Cameroon pepper. You need a dash of sea salt, like 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and over there I have a maple syrup. That is for the second version. That maple syrup is for people that are kind of, sweet tooth. But this is keto version because this is sugar-free maple syrup. Already, I have washed, peeled, and sliced the butternut squash. So, butternut squash is very nutritional for you. If you're looking for a low-carb, low-calorie, and it's full of dietary fiber, I mean, this is your choice. This is your choice. It has calcium, it has vitamin D. Oh my God. It has a lot. Go ahead and make this recipe and you will not regret it, okay? All right, so let's go into making this beautiful vegetable, our good source of vitamin E. All right, I put on my gloves because of this Cameroon pepper. It's very, very spicy. So that's why I'm doing this. Guys, use any pepper you like, skip it if you want, it's a choice. So this is 1 tablespoon and a little, like a half a teaspoon. And I'm going to be adding the ginger. I'm going to make it 1 leveled tablespoon. And the garlic, like half of a tablespoon is fine. Adjust your seasoning the way you would like. I'm adding the sea salt. I'm grinding it in like half a teaspoon. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick mix. Let me put this by the side. Give it a quick mix so you can incorporate together. And now we go ahead and add 1 tablespoon for now until I mix of the olive oil. So right here, this is the butternut squash. I place them in here. I try to move, this bowl is kind of small, so try to use a bigger bowl because that's what I should have done. Just give it a quick mix. Another trick of mixing this, you put it in a Ziploc bag like this, and then you put all your ingredients inside it, and then you shake the Ziploc bag. You shake it around and everything will mix up. So now that it's well mixed, I'm going to go ahead and put the remaining tablespoon of olive oil all over it. And that's it. And the next step will be to just pour it on the pan while we do the second method. Alright guys, so this is it. I'm going to use the skewer to separate them. I soak the skewer for just a few minutes in the water so it doesn't burn. And I'm going to go ahead and make the next one. So I'm going to add the remaining of the butternut squash. And to this, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And it's time to add the maple syrup. This is sugar-free, keto compliant. It's low carb, sugar-free. So I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons to the butternut squash. And I give it a good mix. And that's it for that. Alright, I'm gonna quickly put a dash of salt. Salt makes it better. If you don't like it, please feel free, skip it. And this is good to go. we go ahead and pour it in the same pan. That's why I divided it with a skewer. This is for the people with the sweet tooth, like my kids. They have sweet tooth, they love sugar. Okay, and it's gonna go in the oven right now, 400 degrees for 40 minutes. Okay guys, it's 40 minutes and it's out of the oven. You see that on the left hand side is the one we added all the spices, and this one right here is the one, like I said, for the sweet tooth people. They all both taste awesome. You need to give it a try. So the moment of truth is here. Let's try it. Okay, let me try the spicy one first. Well done. Well spiced. Crunchy. Ooh, that Cameroon pepper. Woo! Gives it a kick. Let's try the other one for the sweet tooth people. Let's go. 40 minutes. Guys, remember ovens are different. In case your oven is not that as high as mine, you could do 45 to 50 minutes. But with this type of oven that I have, 40 minutes is good. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been great. I appreciate you guys. Do not forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe. Thank you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.